In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit the beta program for the Grammarly app on Windows and revert to the stable version. Whether you joined the beta to try out the latest features, or if you've encountered issues on the beta build, switching back to the regular version can help stabilize your experience. Let's walk through this process together. First things first, we need to determine if you're actually subscribed to a beta channel. Start by launching the Grammarly app on your Windows PC. Once you're there, head over to the Settings menu. This is typically accessible through the gear icon, or you might find it within the menu, depending on your version. What you're looking for is any reference to being part of a beta, early access, or a preview build. If you spot a toggle or any option that indicates you're currently working on a beta version, simply switch it off to opt out of the beta program. If such options aren't visible within Settings, don't worry. We'll move on to the next step. The next step involves uninstalling the current version of Grammarly. Start by pressing the Windows key and the I key simultaneously to open up your system's settings. Navigate to the Apps section, specifically the Apps and Features subsection. Scroll through your list of installed programs until you find Grammarly for Windows or a similar name. Click on it to reveal more options and then select Uninstall. This process ensures that you're removing the build, whether it's beta or otherwise, that you currently have installed on your system. Now that we've uninstalled Grammarly, let's get you back on track with the stable version. Head over to the official Grammarly site and find the download page for Grammarly for Windows. When selecting the installer, make sure you're choosing the standard public release version. Go ahead and download the installer and follow the prompts to install this fresh copy onto your machine. By doing this, you'll most likely transition back to the stable channel of Grammarly. With the installation complete, it's time to confirm that you're indeed on the stable build. Open the Grammarly app and once again go into the Help section, then click on About or a similar option. Look at the version number. As long as it doesn't carry the beta or preview label, you're successfully on the stable release. For further verification, you might consider checking the changelog on Grammarly's support site. This changelog under Bug Resolution Updates will provide specifics on the version numbers for stable versus beta releases. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now reverted back to the stable version of Grammarly on Windows. This should provide a more consistent and reliable performance. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to ask.